Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this lesson, we will learn ordinal numbers and after them we will do some examples. Let's get started. Sıra sayıları. Ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are made by adding a suffix to the cardinal number. The suffix is a variant of inci. These variants are ıncı, üncü, uncu. Conjurant with Turkish vowel harmony. Only fourth is an exception. It is not dörtüncü. We write or say dördüncü. Birinci, first. İkinci, second. Üçüncü, third. Dördüncü, fourth. Beşinci, fifth. Altıncı, sixth. Yedinci, seventh. Sekizinci, eighth. Dokuzuncu, ninth. Onuncu, tenth. 11. 11th. 12. 12th. 13. 13th. 14. 14th. 15. 15th. 16. 16th. 17. 17th. 18. 18th. 19. 19th. 20. 28th. 30. 30th. 40. 40th. 50. 50th. 60. 60th. 70. 70th. 80. 80th. 90. 90th. 100. 100. 1000. 1000. 10.000. 10,000. Let's repeat. Birinci, ikinci, üçüncü, dördüncü, beşinci, altıncı, yedinci, sekizinci, dokuzuncu, onuncu, 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 30. 40. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. 100. 1000. 10.000. When the word first is part of a series, birinci, ikinci, üçüncü, etc., we use the word first instead. For last, we use the word son. For example, bugün ilk kez badminton oynadım. Today I have played badminton for the first time. Son 5 günde hiçbir şey yemedim. In the last 5 days I haven't eaten anything. Let's make some examples. Yedinci, seventh, onuncu, tenth, 18. 18th, 21. 21st, 35. 35th, 46. 46th, 53. 53rd, 62. 62nd, 74. 74th, 87. 87th, 99th. Let's repeat. Yedinci, onuncu, 18. 21. 35. 46. 53. 62. 74. 87. 99. Thank you for joining today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you soon. Hoşça kalın.